Hi boys and girls, welcome to PE. For today's lesson, we're going to learn how to roll a ball. We're only going to need three things, okay? Maybe even only two things, but definitely two things. The first thing you're going to need is a ball. We're going to make a ball with two things. One is a pair of socks, or the other option is a piece of paper, okay? Let's go with the sock first. You're going to stack your socks together. Roll it up from the toes. Here are the toes. The toes are here. I'm gonna roll it up from the toes all the way to the ankle. Okay, I'm gonna wrap one of the ankles up. Now use the other ankle opening to wrap up the whole thing. And there's my sock ball. Okay, it's nice and round, and I like that it's not perfectly round so that it will stop when I roll it. Okay. The other option, if you don't have a pair of socks, is a piece of paper. And this is actually my scrunched up piece of paper already. So I just use this and I scrunch them up into a ball. So these are the two ways that we can make a ball for our game. The only other thing that you're gonna need for this game is a piece of paper. I just have a piece of scratch paper that I don't need anymore. I'm gonna use this as my target for when we play our game. We have something to roll to, okay? The next thing that we need to do is make sure our space is safe. Here's my space. Yeah, as you can see, I left some things on the ground that I need to pick up. If I don't pick these things up, I might step on them, I might break it, I might trip on it, and I might get hurt. So make sure your space is safe, and then you'll be ready to go. Okay? So let's make your sock ball. Make sure your space is safe, and come back to the video and we'll go over the motions, the steps for rolling a ball. Hi boys and girls, let's go over the steps for rolling a ball. Okay, let's go back to a safe space. Get in the ready position. That's the first step. Ready. Ready means hold the ball with your dominant hand. I write with my right hand. I brush my teeth. I eat with my right hand, so that's my dominant hand. Ball goes in my right hand. I'm gonna hold it by my chest, both hands if I want, but my dominant hand's holding it. I'm going to, the second step is step with my opposite foot. Okay? Since I'm rolling the ball, I'm gonna step with my left foot, and I'm gonna bend down because I'm rolling the ball on the ground anyway. Okay? So that's the step. The third step is swing. Swing your arm back, and then swing it forward, and then sweep the ground and release the ball. Okay? So those are the steps. Let me do it one more time, but this time with my paper ball. Okay? Ready position. Dominant hand by my chest. Step and bend down. Swing back. Swing forward and sweep the ground with your arm. That's how we roll. I want you to do this for 5, 6, 7 times, maybe even 10 times. Practice your roll. Remember the steps. Ready, step, swing, and sweep. And then come back and we'll play our game. Okay, I'll see you later. Hi boys and girls, let's get ready for our game. All we're going to need for this game is a sheet of paper. When you have your sheet of paper, get a Sharpie if you want and put a big X on it. So here's my sheet of paper. I'm just going to write a big X on it. And I'm actually going to do it on both sides. Okay, there's one X. And here's the other X on the other side. I'm going to put my target about maybe 10 feet away or so. I'll get on the ground. So right over there, there's my target. I'm going to stand right over here. I'm going to use my two balls. I'm going to roll it to the target. Try my best to hit the target, and it has to stay on the target, okay? Oh, that was so close. Too strong. So now I flip the target closer to me. So I take the target and I flip the paper over. So it's a little bit closer, a little bit easier, I hope. So I take the target and I flip it again. I pick the ball up, flip it closer to me again. So now I have to remember, don't roll it so hard. That didn't quite hit the target. Don't forget your steps. Ready, step, swing, and sweep. Let's do one more. Let's try and get it on the target and move it a little bit closer. I'm going to say that didn't hit the target. So I'm going to pick this up and move it even closer. Let's do one more actually. Okay, I lied. Let's do one more. So that's how we play. Hit the target. Your job is to bring that target all the way to you. Okay? I was able to hit it 2 times. How many times can you do it? Remember your steps for rolling. Ready? Step, swing, and sweep. Okay? I'll see you next time. Have fun. Hi boys and girls, welcome to target practice for 2nd and 3rd graders. This version is a little bit harder than the version for kinders and 1st grade, so here's what we have to do. We have our target, but you know what? That's a really big target. I'm going to take this target, fold it in half, make it nice, make a nice crease, and now I just made my target half the size of the younger kids because we want it to be a challenge. I'm going to get my marker and put another X on it. And actually you don't even have to do that because the paper is just kind of marked up now. Okay? So now we're kind of doing the same thing. Put our paper about 10 feet away. Try to hit the target. If we hit it, flip the target over and have it come closer to you. Okay? Here we go. Here's my target. That's a small spot. I'm going to stand right here. Remember the steps we're rolling. Ready, step, swing, and sweep. Whoa. Ready, step, swing, and sweep. Almost. Okay, pick up your softballs and go again. Here we go. Small target really is harder. That was close. This is not easy. So we flipped the target. That landed on the target. I'm going to flip it one spot closer to me. I go back. paper was on the target. I'm gonna flip this paper over. And you just keep going until you get the target all the way to right in front of you, okay? If that's too easy, if you want another challenge, take your half sheet of paper, fold that in half. Fold that in half. Now my target is even smaller. And then tear it. And now use this as your target. So now your target is 1/4 the size of our first target. That's a tiny target. On the target, so I flip the target over. So your job is to get that tiny piece of paper all the way to in front of you, okay? Have fun, keep trying, and I'll see you next time.